Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to Double AZ Slots. We're here at High Winds Casino here in Miami, Oklahoma. We're in front of Lucky Ducky, $1 denom. We got $60 in the machine, and we're gonna take it nice and easy this evening, and hopefully to hit it big and get lucky with Lucky Ducky. So Lucky Ducky, be nice to Double AZ Slots. Nice and quiet machine. We'll mix it around and see what happens. Come on, Lucky Ducky, we're almost down 20. There we go, first hit, and small diamond. We get all your brothers in the line. That'd be playing 1 would be 1,000 credits. Playing 2 would be 2,000. To get 3 is 10,000 credits. Yeah, we got private stripes on that one. And we got step ladder for 20. Go back to where we started at. Come on, Lucky Duck. Well, hopefully everybody's having a good week. Well, to let you all know that Double AZ Slots had finally hit the 500 subscriber plateau. We got celebration in the works right now. So I'd like to thank everybody because of that. We got inside corners on that one. And we'll let you all know when we'll be getting our celebration, what gaming establishment that we have in our area. Well, let's get some red spins there, Lucky Ducky. And we got private stripes there again. I've been also asked what time is best, or what time do we usually record? Well, I tell you what, we usually record usually in the evening. Red spin, nope, we got private stripes. Or I like doing it around 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm off work. Well, I'm semi-retired anyway, so basically anywhere I could have the time to go ahead and go and enjoy with family and friends and just enjoy ourselves. And if you guys can, let me know what machines that you like that's out there that you have yet to see on the channel. I'll be glad. Put it in the comment section, and I'll be glad to look at it and see if we have those machines. Come on, Lucky Ducky. Oh. Come on now. Well, it seems like Lucky Ducky's not into it right now, but I tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and go right next door. To Jim and Jules. Okay, so that's what we're going to jump on over here, and let's see what Jim and Jules will do. This was the first machine that I hit way back in 2006 or so. Let's see what happens. First hit's an open diamond. Again, the same jackpots it is. If you get all of them on, if you're playing one, it's 1,000. Playing two, it's 2,000, and the third three coins, it's 4,000. All we're looking for is one red spin. Lucky Ducky didn't want to give us any. Here we go. We got 100 on Valentine's. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we kind of did a pretty good, nice hit. So let's go ahead and take it down to 100. Thank you, Jim and Jules. Now bring all your sisters together. Let's have a good session. There you are again. I've been happy with that. And we got open diamonds on that one. All right, Jim and Jules, get the last three. We're gonna do max on it. Oh, come on now. And last one. Oh, there it is. Well, like you all know, thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoyed this session. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And for those of you that have yet to subscribe to AAZ Slots, go ahead and hit that subscribe channel. And stay tuned for our celebration of 500 subscribers. And I'd like to let you all know this channel is for you, for your entertainment. So you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. Be safe now.